Hi boys and girls, so now it's time for us to go over our daily math review and for you to self-assess your work. Okay, we're going to start with the first box and it says, fill in the missing numbers. Okay, we already see that the first box in the first row is empty, so let's take a look. It's 37 and 38. Okay, we have this hundredths chart we can use to help us. Okay, so we're missing the number that goes before 37. If we use the hundredths chart, we can see that the number that goes right before 37 is 36. Okay, so let's take a look at the next row. From 36, we move down one, that's 46. And after 46 comes 47 and then 48. Just like that. Okay, and now we're on the third row and we have the first two numbers missing. Okay, if you have the 46 here, if we start at 46 and we move down one, that's 10 more, that gives us 56. So we can say 56, 57, and then we have 58. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, let's move on to the next box. It says, use a number line to represent the equation. And the equation says 10 minus 8 equals 2. Okay, so what we can do is label our number line. We can put a minus here because I know that as we go to the left, the number gets smaller and that's minus. But if we keep going to the right, the number gets bigger and that's plus. Okay, so we know to start at the number 10, which is right here, and then it's minus 8. So that means I need to make 8 hops, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'll get to the number 2. Alright, did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, and now for the last box, it says use the hundredths chart to find the number that is 10 more than 58. Okay, so we can use the hundredths chart. First thing we need to do is find 58 on the hundredths chart. Okay, here's 58. It's a 5 and an 8. Okay, so now we need to find the number that is 10 more. To get the number that is 10 more, we move down one box and we get 68. Okay, did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, great job. Okay, so now it's time for the mental math. I'm going to say some equations and I want you to follow along and do it and assess your work. For number 1, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Give yourself a check if you got that. Alright, so number 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Give yourself a check. Alright, and now for number 3. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Give yourself a check if you got that. Alright, great job self-assessing your work, boys and girls.